Conseil Rastafari, on dit aussi, l'homme qui est marié avec une femme, on va bien piquer la couteau. C'est Goumen avec, l'homme c'est Goumen pour que je vienne sans besoin même. Goumen avec, il me croit sous battre, ou bien si femme non battre, mais on va faire choix de mon niveau. Faut Goumen pour l'offre même, non? Quand des vidéos ça n'a pas un conseil, regardez bien pour nous.
Wait a minute. Tyson using his wife, Natalia. That's what spouses are for. As a shield, and now taking advantage. That's what spouses are for. Reign here in WWE, a two-time champion. Another great throw by Ronda Rousey.
Again, I'm not sure this is the best strategy for Nikki to go hold for hold with Ronda Rousey. Ronda Rousey wants to make sure Nikki Bella...
Oh my gosh! Are you kidding me? Rollins out! He's assaulting Ambrose! Rousey out in pursuit. Now Brie Bella gets in Rousey's face. Allows Nikki Bella to take control. The Bella twins at their best
of her career. Turn divas at the Bella twins. Igniting.
RKO! Out of nowhere!
What are we gonna see?
Goldberg again with a spear! Two spears to Lesnar! Brock's in trouble! Brock's in trouble!
Springboard kick to the face!
Here's the cover, hook of the leg, and a kick out by Ronda. Seeing Ronda Nikki Bella moved out of the way.
Weird on that.
Incredible. What's going on here? Why in the world was now Nikki Bella trying to escape into the WWE Universe and Ronda Rousey not...
Oh, what the hell? Wait a minute. No.
Oh, my God. Going for the F5. Referee down. Yeah, but he didn't get over the F5 because the referee was knocked down. They could just ragdoll a referee. They're in the cover, but there's nobody to count.
He's got the pin, but there's no referee.
What the hell is he doing?
Uh-oh. That's a fine right there.
And now Undertaker stalking the beast. Undertaker has got Brock Lesnar where he wants him. Choke slam.
Mr. Frank Ziggler. And he just hit the skull crushing finale.
Can you imagine what a vindication it would be for Nikki Bella to have a win over Ronda Rousey and become the champion here tonight? It would be unbelievable to see how Ronda Rousey would react to a loss on such a great...
Oh, no.
The hell?
What?
Oh, my God.
Undertaker. Choke slam to Lesnar. There's the cover. Shawn Michaels' career is over. The Undertaker warned Brock Lesnar at SummerSlam, you'll never rest in peace. The Phenom seeks revenge. He is going to get